In this video, you'll learn how to start using Kimi AI, a tool designed to enhance your productivity through various features. By following this guide, you will navigate through the interface and utilize its functionalities effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kimi AI and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of Kimi AI, which features a clean layout with various options available for you to explore. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Websites. This will direct you to a section focused on web-related tasks. After clicking, the interface will refresh, displaying a variety of tools and resources specifically for website creation and management. After that, find and select the Docs option. This will take you to a new screen where you can access document creation features. The layout will change, showing you different document templates and editing options for your projects. Once this appears, click on the Slides option next. This will direct you to the slide creation interface, which allows you to develop presentations. You will notice various templates and design tools available for customizing your slides. Following this, select Sheets from the available options. This section is dedicated to spreadsheet functionalities, enabling you to manage data effectively. You should see a grid layout that resembles traditional spreadsheet software ready for your input. Next, click on the Deep Research button. This feature is designed to help you conduct thorough research on various topics. The interface will present you with tools to gather and analyze information efficiently. After that, select Kimi Code. This option provides access to coding features within Kimi AI. The interface will display coding tools and resources that you can utilize for programming tasks. Once you've explored coding, click on Kimi Claw. This feature is aimed at enhancing your interaction with AI. You will find options that allow you to maximize the capabilities of Kimi AI in your projects. Next, navigate to Chat History. This option allows you to review past interactions and discussions with the AI. The screen will show a log of your previous chats, providing insights into your usage patterns. Then, return to the Websites section. You will be redirected to the Web Tools interface once again, allowing you to continue your work on website development. Now look for the option labeled Highlight. This feature enables you to emphasize important sections within your projects. The interface will provide options for highlighting text or elements as needed. After highlighting, click on Select Template. This will open up a gallery of templates you can use for your website or document. Browse through the options presented to find one that suits your. Once you've selected a template, click on it to proceed. The interface will update to show the chosen template ready for customization. Now, type in the phrase "make a website" in the designated input area. This action will initiate the generation process for your website. Be sure to check that your text is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the Generate button. This will prompt Kimi AI to create your website based on the input provided. Depending on the complexity of the website, this may take a moment, so please be patient as the system processes your request. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.